Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I hope that the videos we keep uploading are helping you out. I'm still doing, guys, the mathematics paper 1 examination. It's a mid-year examination from the province of Gauteng, which was written in the year of 2024. This is the last video, guys, because the question paper had 10 questions. Please note that each and every question will have its own video rather. And guys, please do take this seriously. Knowing how to tackle exam questions will give you an edge. I strongly believe that you'll be well prepared for your June, from your June exam, preliminary exam, as well as your final examination. So please do share the video to your peers so that they may have the exam readiness as well. Yeah? Okay. Events S and T are independent. Okay, if two events, guys, are independent, it simply means that the probability of S and T should be equal to the probability of S multiplied by the probability of T. If two events are independent, this statement should be true. Né? Okay, and then we are told that the probability of S and T is just 1 over 6. And the probability of not S is equal to 3 over 4. Please note that the probability of S plus the probability of not S, its complement, I'll say S prime, they should just be equal to 1. Ne? So therefore the probability of S is just 1 minus 3 over 4, which is just 1 over 4. The probability of S is 1 over 4. First question, they want us to find the probability of T. I know that the probability of S and T is given to me as 1 over 6, but the probability of S is equal to 1 over 4 multiplied by the probability of T. So 1 over 6 divided by 1 over 4. I now know that the probability of T is just 2 over 3. The probability of 3, I'll simply use this statement to find the probability of T, right? That's 2 over 3. And hence we must calculate the probability of S or T. The probability of S or T is basically the probability of S plus the probability of T minus the probability of S and T occurring. That's 1 over 4 plus 2 over 3 minus 1 over 6. 1 over 4 plus 2 over 3 minus 1 over 6. That's 3 over 4. The probability of S or T is 3 over 4. Okay, and then now we are told that a group of 200 tourists visited the same restaurant on 2 consecutive evenings. Both evenings, the tourists could choose beef or chicken for their meals. The manager observed 35% of the tourists chose beef on the first evening, and 70% of the tourists chose chicken on the second evening. Draw a free body diagram to represent the different choices of main meals of the 2 evenings. Okay, evening number 1. The tourists could have chosen beef or chicken. Are you together? This is evening 1. So for evening 2, it will be like this. For evening 2, they can still choose beef or chicken. Né? And then we are given numbers. We are told that 35% chose beef on their first evening. 35%, that's just 0.35. They chose beef. Remember that, guys, the probability of one event should always add up into 1. Né? If 35% chose beef, that means 65% chose chicken. 0.65 chose chicken. And then on the second evening, 70% chose chicken. So 0.7 chose chicken, 0.7. That means 0.3 chose beef. Then now they want us to calculate the number of tourists who chose the same meal on both evenings. Okay. The probability of it's either the tourist chose beef twice or the tourist chose chicken twice. So this probability is basically equal to 0.35 multiplied by 0.3 plus 0.65 multiplied by 0.7. 0.35 times 0.3 plus 0.65 times 0.7. This will just give me 14 over 25, 0.56. The probability that the tourist will choose the same meal in 2 evenings is just 0.56, right? But I was not asked to find the probability, I was asked to find the number. So remember that, guys, probability is just the number of possible outcomes divided by the sample space. Right? Probability is just 0.56. I don't know the number, but sample space is 200. So therefore n is just 0.56 multiplied by 200. So that means 112 tourists 112 tourists chose the same meal in both days. That's how, guys, we could have tackled that question over there. So please do stay tuned and wait for more videos. Thank you.